Vitores Jana. Vitores Jana, please raise your hand.
Kuyat Amber, same belt. Next bout, Avila Shinde Aka, Sepalay Corinne Au. After this bout, please prepare Rama Makare Aka, Kuyat Amber Au. Please prepare.
Winner, Aka, Nahan from ASA Cebu. Next bout, Katli Zaki from AKKR Aka and Kuban Mary Stephanie. Now, start. Winner, Aka, Katli Zaki from AKKR. Next bout, Gonzalez Luis from AKKR and Mahilo Mari.
Swaling J-Ram, red. Spirit Kyle, Ricardo Del Tor, Gonzaga Cedric, Kabatingan Mark,
Shihan Army. Lanto Shihan.
winner Aka, Rama Makare. Please change your belt to Au. This is for the final bout. Aka Sepalay Corinne Benedict, Rama Makare Au.
Please prepare 8 to 9 years old intermediate Gala girls. Aka, Rama Janelle Zoe from KSA JKS Cebu. Au, Kumagay Ma Francesca Carly from ASKS JKS Cebu City. Aka, Apilas Kibri from JKS Philippines CV. Au, Brutas Precious Kyle from AUK Hongbu. Aka, Alpani Isabel from PNVA. Au, Borneo from Fast ISKF. And Au, Kaden from UBSKIS. Please proceed.
Next bout, Christina C. Please raise your hand. Please prepare both.
mo, sorry. Sa'yo.
Bangkusman,
Nanalo, Jedwin.
Johanny Torres,
Bongales. Bongales. Dalawa, Bongales. Start. Next out, Ayo Ella. Raise your hand, Ayo Ella. Red. Ayo Ella, red.
next bout, Bangkusman
Rosales Maria.
versus Johnny. Prepare, Paloma Aka versus Deluria Angel.
Good.
Please prepare Buscaino Rajveer.
Winner, Aka Sempalay Corinne Benedict Gold. Rama Silver. First bronze, Kuya Amber. Please proceed to the area, please. Thank you.
Next bout. Ayo Ella from Punta Mandawi, Cebu. Aka. Raise your hand. Ayo Ella. And Rosales Maria. Start.
Twelve to 13 years old, intermediate kata boys. First bout, Aka Pasco Kim Bernard. Aaron Ian Neil Au.
Please prepare Sante Azayan Aka versus De Torres Chana Au.
Aaron Ian Neil Au. Raise your hand, please.
Sesante, please raise your hand. Okay, stand by, stand by. Please prepare Buscaino Rajveer. Buscaino Rajveer.
Pasco Kim Bernard. Raise your hand. Tatamewan. Tatamewan.
Arshaga Lucas. Arshaga Lucas. Okay, stand by.
Aaron Ian. Raise your hand.
Winner. Ao. Rosales
Start.
Maria Lopez. Tama no si Rosales Maria. Okay, next bout is between Amarado Brianna from AUK, Aka, and Sanchez Kaysel.
Start.
Kaysel, Nicole.
Please prepare.
Sanchez, raise your
Nicole
hand.
Carl Zyren Aka. Katamisan John Adriel Au. Please prepare after this round.
Kaysel, Nicole, raise your hand.
Start. Natalie.
Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff. Sir Jeff. Amarado, raise your hand. Amarado. Sanchez. Start. Next bout is between Kathy Zaki, Aka, and Lanyana Diana Cher. Ao.
Winner, Au. Aaron Ian Neil.
Tatiana,
Please
raise your
change
hand.
your belt to red.
Kathy.
Next bout, Ricardel Carl Zyren Aka. Katamisan John Adriel Au. Start.
For the championship round, Paloma Athena Aka versus Sesante Azayan Au. Azian.
Winner, Aka. Amarado Villara Cherien from KK. Next bout, Katli Zaki and Lanyana Dayana Chen. Start. Gonzalez, Luis, Yocamos, Ella May. Raise your hand. Yocamos. After this, okay.
Winner, Aka, Ricardel Carl Zaire, same belt. Next bout, Arong Ayan Yel Aka, Buna Zian Ken Ao. Start. Please prepare Rosales Zion Alexander Aka, Langtapon GL Ao. Please prepare after this bout.
Buscaino, please raise your hand. Okay. Arshaga. Okay, stand by.
Maria Laurel. Aka. Rosales Maria Laurel Aka. Pinoy Precious Shelly.
Now for the championship
Pinoy.
round. Athena versus Sasanta Azia. Next,
Winner, Aka, Arong Ayan Yel.
Winner, Aka.
Same belt, Arong. Next bout, Rosales Zion Alexander Aka, Langtapon GL Ao.
Next bout, Gonzalez, raise your hand. Gonzalez, raise your hand, Gonzalez. Yocamos. Wait lang, wait. Sir Jeff,
Start.
pasok.
for Tatami 4, next category is 7 years old and below intermediate kata boys.
Please prepare Rosas Zaire Aka, Kapatoy ni Dominic Ao. Please prepare after this bout.
Start, start.
Please prepare Buscaino Roger. On the demand now, please. Arshaga Rico. Buscaino Red. Arshaga Owl. For 7 years old and below intermediate kata girls, please prepare Rosales Eliana Aka and Traya Andrea Au. Again, Rosales Eliana, please raise your hand. Traya Andrea.
Winner, Aka, Rosales Zion Alexander. Change your belt to Ao. Next bout, Rosas Cyril Aka, Kapatoy P. Dominic Ao.
Rosales, raise your hand. Rosales. Aka. Dinoy. Out. After this. After this.
Second call for 8
Winners. Aka. Gonzalez Luis. Now, start.
Please prepare after this bout, Hugo Lance Rafael Aka, Gonzaga Cedric Ao. Please prepare.
Second call, 8 to 9 years old, Filipino
Verano, Olivares, Cinco, Dava, Kapul, Abikibel, Malari, Aba. For the next category, 7 years old.
Winner, Aka, Rosas Cyril, Saint Bell. Next bout, Ogo Lance Rafael Aka, Gonzaga Cedric Auz.
Rosales Eliana Aka versus Triazar Andrea Au.
Start.
Rosales, please raise your hand. Okay.
Please prepare the Cardell Carl Aka, Spearing Kyle William Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Please prepare Lopez Gavin Aka and Aguilar J.
Winner! Rosales Maria Laura. Next bout, Amarado Brianna and Pasaliote Carla. Start.
Lopez Gavin, please raise your hand.
Daan Zeb. Raise your hand. Daan Zeb.
Aguilar Jacob, stand by.
Kathleen. Red.
Verano Prince. Verano Prince, please raise your hand.
Start.
Olivares John.
Sorry.
Olivares John,
Winner,
please raise your hand.
Aka, Ogo Lance Rafael. Please change your belt to Au. Next bout, Ricardel Carl Cyril Aka, Spearing Kyle William Au. Start.
Now for the category 8 to 9 years old intermediate kata boys, first bout, Lopez Gavin Aka versus Aguilar Jacob Au.
Please prepare after this bout, Kanyada Christopher Ryan Aka, Mendoza James Au. Please prepare.
Please prepare Verano, Olivares, please raise your hand. Olivares, Au. Dava Aiden, okay, stand by. Kapul, Mac Robert, stand by. Abikibel, Wayne,
Winner Au, Spearing Kyle William. Please change your belt to Aka.
Winner, Aka. Amarado Brianna
Christopher
Jr.
Ryan Aka.
Next bout.
Mendoza James Au. Mendoza James.
Start the next bout.
Kanyada Cristo. Start.
Last call, 8 to 9 years old.
Gonzales Luis.
next bout, Verano Prince versus Olivares Vince.
Gonzales Maria Alia.
Last call.
Verano, Olivares,
Please
Olivares
prepare
Vince.
Organiza Seth Rolling Aka. Largo Lionel Au. Please prepare after this bout.
Olivares Vince, please double time. Dava Aiden, please prepare Aka. Kapul Mac Robert out.
Last call, 8 to 9 years old intermediate knockout girls. Au, Rama Janelle Zoe Case, JKS Cebu. Aka, one-time off Francesca Caroline from the SKS JKS Cebu City. Au, Brunas Precious Time from the
Gonzales Maria Alia. Raise your hand, Gonzales.
And Aka,
Start.
Aquiles Kid Bring from
Please prepare.
Winner Au. Mendoza James. Saint Bell. Winners for 16, 17 years old advanced kata girls, please proceed to the awarding area. Villa Carlos, Cabuenas, Garza, and Rosada. Please proceed to the awarding stage. Thank you. Once again, 16 to 17 years old advanced kata girls, winners, please proceed to the staging, awarding staging area. Thank you. After this bout, please prepare Aginas,
Amarado, raise your hand, Amarado.
Akan, Kabatingan, Mark, Xavier, Au. Please prepare after this bout. Organiza Roland. Same bell. Next bout, Aginas, Silan, Bergen, Aka, Kabatingan, Mark, Xavier, Au.
Next bout, Amarado.
For 16, 17 years old, advanced boys. Mulan, Sia, Formela,
Kevin Lopez, and
please proceed to the awarding area. Winners for the 16 to 17 years old advanced kata boys. Proceed to the awarding area. Thank you. Formela, Ciencia, and awarding area, please. Thank you. Please prepare out.
next bout, Lopez, Kevin versus Jero.
Now, ang Ian, Aka, Rosales, Zion, Alexander, Au.
Please prepare Verano Prince and Cinco Sebastian Carlis.
Start. After this, please prepare Rosa, Zyril, Aka, Ogo, Lance, Rafael, Au. Please prepare.
Winner, Gabriela. Next bout, Gonzales, Rosales. Start na rin.
Winner, Aka, Aaron, Miel. Same bell.
Winner, Au, Pakumbaba Jero.
Next
Next
bout,
bout,
Rosa,
Verano Prince
Zyril,
versus
Aka,
Cinco Sebastian.
Ogo, Lance, Rafael, Au.
After this match, we will be having the 10 to 11 years old intermediate kata boys. Ponce, Yolan, Yosef, raise your hand.
Please prepare after this
Abigail,
bout.
John Mark,
Eric,
raise your hand.
Kyle, William,
Again, after this match, we will proceed to intermediate kata boys to give time for championship round.